Okay, today is April 28, year 2024. Let's play boat. This is PT40. Okay. Oh, kita dito. Mas enjoyable dito. Oh. I can see the whole lake, di ba? Napababa ako eh. I can make a figure 8. Vibrate eh. Oh. Lakas ng hangin. Very windy today. Oh. Baka very light kaya ano. Ay, ay. Oh, tiga. Ah. Galing. Maganda mga yung yacht dito. Iba pa yung pretty. Kasi this is ano eh, flat bottom. Baka ito yung characteristic ng ano ng flat bottom na boat. Yung sa front is medyo V siya, V hull, but at the rear it's flat. Ano, I'm only using siguro 10% of the power. 10% lang eh. Kasi very, ayan, pag tinodo ko, okay, mukhang pwede na yan. Ilang minutes na?
2 minutes pa lang.
Okay, 2 minutes pa lang. I have to reduce the power to avoid yung ano, yung yan. Ang tawag diyan, shaking. Ayun na, mayroon na sound effect. I have a sound effect now. Yung ay pwede pala wala. Ano no? Pwede siguro ano ko lang i-adjust ko lang yung ano, yung throttle. Sobrang lakas nito. Alam mo, I only use siguro ano lang, less than 20% power. Kasi pag masyadong ano, very ano, shaking.
Five minutes.
Okay, that's about it. Thank you.